Would you like to feel and be more confident? Are you ready to learn how to say no to people, how to make decisions easily, and trust that they're right for you? Do you find yourself overgiving or overachieving and running on empty? Here's the answer: boundary setting. I'm Belinda M. Clark, and based on my professional and personal knowledge as an empowerment coach and teacher, I've created Empowered Confidence Boundary Setting Toolkit. In it, I explain what boundaries are and how we all need them, and how you can learn to use boundaries effectively and easily so that you can be more confident and value yourself. I'm very passionate about helping people to discover and step fully into their personal power, and boundary setting is the first step. You see, life really does open up and become wonderful when you're practicing boundary setting, self-empowerment, and valuing yourself. Like my client VJ. She never knew anything about boundaries, even though she's in her 60s. VJ is now enjoying the power of boundaries, which has opened up the gates to a whole new happy world for her. This Boundaries Toolkit includes a masterclass video, activation audio, transformation worksheet, and 10-step guide. You will find that this is the perfect formula and content to support you in discovering how to be confident while setting effective boundaries and have more time and energy for yourself. It's time for you. Let me teach you how to start valuing yourself.